Ìgbà tí ẹ rò iṣẹ́ ìyanu rẹ̀ láyé mi, ẹ wá rí i pé ó ga ojú pọ̀. Ìgbà tí ẹ rò iṣẹ́ ìyanu rẹ̀ láyé mi, ẹ rí i pé ó ga, ẹ rí i pé ó ga, ẹ rí i pé ó ga bàbá.
I look hot. I look like I am hot here. Yes, no, you do. Can even see you. You are beautiful. I'm a Muslim, an unapologetic Muslim. But then, Evag.Tope Alabi is a sweet soul. She is an outstanding woman. She's a phenomenal woman. The last time I met her, we chatted like and when she informed me about the birthday, I live in Abuja. I had to plan my schedule to accommodate this event, and I'm grateful to God that I'm able to show up for her. It's not about her beauty, it's not about her faith. My personal philosophy is I appreciate the women with substance. Once you have substance, you have things to deliver of this, I identify with you naturally. Whether you're a Muslim or Christian or Alabi, whatever it is that you are, so far you command respect wherever you get to. So far you are able to inspire other lives. So far you are able to create impact and impact the younger generation. I identify with you and I celebrate such women. If you look at my Facebook, my WhatsApp, Evag.Tope Alabi, because I love her. Evag.Tope Alabi. I once told her, I said, Evag.Tope Alabi, I'm a Muslim, but anytime I'm down, you know, we have ups and downs in life. And anytime I'm down, I just need my phone or I need to get my music player to get to Evag.Tope Alabi. So the moment I listen to it, I get life. I get it back. I communicate with God like I'm actually talking to God when I listen to her. And you know the Yoruba is always come. I thank God for your life. Wow. I appreciate all that God has done for you. You are not the one that all of us have gathered here to celebrate. We are gathering here to celebrate God because it is God that lives in you. It is God that speaks through you. It is God that inspires and motivates you. It's the one that has kept you. Like you said in one of your songs, and it's you and me. I can't imagine what would have gone through but His grace kept you. It is still keeping you and it will continue to keep you. Amen. And I appreciate every one of us here. I'm happy that we're all gathered here to celebrate God. And I want to pray that we all have cause to be celebrated. We all have cause to celebrate by the mercy of God. And His grace, His mercies, His blessings, His benevolence will continue to abide with every one of us. I appreciate you, Alabi. Thank you for standing by our sister. Thank you for the strength that you give to her. If you have not stood by her, we will not be here to identify with her. But you have given her the support, the care, the concern, all that she needs to be fine, to feel like she's not alone in this. Thank you, sir. We appreciate you. And we pray for long life for the two of you. And we pray that in your lifetime your children will prosper. You will see your children's children. And we will continue to celebrate with you, to celebrate with us, celebrating every day of our lives. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thanks for the opportunity. Thanks for the invite. Thank you for identifying me. I appreciate you.
We love you.
God bless.